Welcome back to my channel, Hair Care on a Budget. Today, we are diving into the world of Ayurvedic beauty with useful DIY recipes that can transform your hair without breaking the bank. The focus here is on natural ingredients that harness the power of herbs to promote luscious locks while ensuring hair health. Let's explore the first DIY marvel, an amla, retha, shikakai, and bringraj hair pack specially formulated for hair growth. To create this potent hair mask, gather your ingredients: 25 grams of shikakai powder, 30 grams of amla powder, 20 grams of retha powder, 25 grams of bringraj powder, and 80 milliliters of sweet almond oil. These ingredients are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that collectively nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair strands. Start by mixing the herbal powders in a bowl until combined, the earthy aroma of the Ayurvedic powders filling the air, a precursor to the nourishing experience ahead. Next, drizzle in the sweet almond oil, stirring the mixture until a smooth paste forms, representing the harmonious blend of nature's offerings. Once prepared, wet your hair and gently apply the paste from the roots to the tips. This application becomes a soothing ritual. Let your hair soak in the goodness for about 30 minutes as the oils penetrate deeply, revitalizing each strand, creating a protective barrier against dryness. After 30 minutes, rinse with fresh water or a mild organic shampoo. For optimal results, use this treatment twice every 15 days and watch as your hair transforms into a picture of health and vitality. Transitioning to our second recipe, we focus on replenishing dry hair with a mixture of amla, shikakai, and methi. To craft this hair pack, you'll need 20 grams of shikakai powder, 10 grams of retha powder, 15 grams of amla powder, and 10 fenugreek seeds, combined with half a liter of water. Start by soaking the retha powder, amla powder, and fenugreek seeds in water for 24 hours. The power of methi is well known for its moisture-retaining properties, perfect for dry hair. After soaking, blend these ingredients, introducing 20 grams of shikakai powder into the mixture. As you concoct this cool paste, feel the soothing essence creating a restorative blend. Massage this paste gently into your scalp and hair, letting it sit for 30 minutes to work its magic. Once time's up, rinse with running water, feeling the lightweight residue wash away, leaving your hair rejuvenated. Incorporate this DIY treatment once a week for fabulous moisture and rejuvenation. Keep an eye out for more recipes in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips. Thanks for watching and see you guys on the next one.